Hey cuties! Let me tell you honestly, the packaging was not good. When I first opened the box, I was little disappointed. But guess what? The sandals are awesome. Totally changed my mood after I wore them. So, today I am sharing my full review of these cute black heels I got from Flipkart, especially for those who struggle with wearing heels. Let's talk about comfort and feel. Now, let's talk about why I still love these sandals. They are super lightweight, soft, and so easy to walk in. Even if you are someone who can't handle heels, these are made for you. The heels give you that extra height but with full balance. I have walked around the house outside and even did a little shopping, and my feet didn't hurt at all. That's a big deal. Now let's talk about style and design. Visually, the sandals are really pretty. That classic black color goes with everything: dresses, jeans, kurtis, even ethnic wear. The cross strap design gives it an elegant touch, and the golden buckle makes it look stylish without being too extra. When you wear it, the comfort and cuteness totally take over. Now let's talk about small flaws plus honesty. So let's keep it real. Packaging was basic, not at all exciting, but it's not a deal breaker. The overall feel, look, and comfort still made me love it. For the price range, it's giving much more than expected. Who should try this? This sandal is perfect for first time heel wearers, office girls or college students, mommies who want style plus support, anyone who loves heels but hates the pain. If you want a sandal that will not make you wobble, this is a must try. So, yes, cuties, packaging were not great, but once you wear these sandals, you will fall in love. They are comfy, stylish, and perfect for daily wear. Let me know in the comments if you have ever bought a cute heel that surprised you too. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more honest finds. Bye, cuties. Stay cute, stay confident.